hear Abuja Shaba. For race mate. Say 10 o'clock news, we will see about.
Abi?
I will listen to the news.
With the Honorable Minister, you are welcome to the metro station.
There's no way you break in.
Wonderland.
Be careful.
Yes.
This place is so wild, they're coming to why would they come?
It's already. When we hand over, it's already finished. In the Wonderland. Excellency, you can see the fence. All the steels is.
All the what? The bills?
The rebar. Yes. Reinforced.
But last time I came here, I mentioned on this. So they did there's something. Probably Barrister will can't allow this to be like, and they say you're open. Possible anybody can come in from here.
But security is not good.
So it is not you that what have you done? You should have been to know that this is what you did to put them back.
Okay, we'll do that. We'll get
So it's very important for us. We cannot complain this place and this place.
But Excellency, when they handed over this station, everything is there.
Now it is not there. I want to start operating. It is important for us to leave it like this. I think. And even this side too. As we are coming, if they take care, there's no bar. There's no bar.
You need to take them. Not be here, you will take it.
Very fast. And you were there when I got a friend. Very fast to complete. How can you operate this place and without that kind of security? Are you a roof director? Yes, sir.
Ramesh.
These are not working now.
Yeah, they're not working before.
I told you that to be controlled. Serious.
Daddy, huh? Come back, come back.
This man is entering my shoulder.
You are all the time going on. We're paying money.
I've caught a lot of them and people so many.
And
we have all our list.
and the reports.
Hand it over.
To civil defense, electrical departments, FCT commands.
Yes.
Someone were defensive.
The problem is that as soon as they go in there, they have released within 2 months.
No, with them one again, they will discharge it. That is what we are testing always.
Have you reported this to anybody? That they are charged today and they are going to that
There's a big one that
there's a level this what? The service is very like that. I've not seen any security service like that. They can't every day they pay you money for security and theft is going on continuously.
Sir, most of these activities committed by Chinese workers. By Chinese workers. We have record, we have video, we recorded everything.
They don't need to accept that, but they should put. People have the capacity, their workers have the capacity to do that. So that's all you want, like President have said, give us the reports.
I know, at times people parade them.
Only one will do the cases.
We have
And so if it has happened, it has happened.
And also security guards are also involved.
Bring the civil defense.
If a Chinese worker comes to training, well, I do say that if Chinese workers
Anytime you apprehend them, make sure that I'm aware. In fact, where's the station? No longer going to transport to work. Get to the station. Tell me that they are so they are not and tell them to continue. I'm not going to accept this bureaucracy that the memo that I'm not going to accept that. Let's see so. That's what happened. That's what forget about parading them. Just like CSO. Immediately, you have apprehended them, let them know. And therefore, that will take it. And then they will collect the security money from us. Okay, no problem. And where are the access roads?
Station. Even where to hand up the site, you get to Fuaba, you see the access to that site. You get to Kaduna.
So there's no way any vehicle can go to the access road. How do we not do what I did job is going on?
Some of them are. Yes. No, you can move from the counter point. But inside the one along the airport to about they have cleared to the main road. So you can enter from the main road on the dusty road to the station. So they are sorting.
From the airport to
Yes, after the city gate, you will see that after that something like
but if you turn walk it down,
yeah, of course.
yeah, we'll go as well. That's this one. That's right now. That's this one.
Let's go now.
let's go.
Okay, mate.
I ain't gonna show you. Avoid me now. Zoom and avoid me. And you said you have commissioned it without no chair, nothing. Yeah. I thought the road leads to the
Sorry,
station directly. Tell me where is the car park, where the cars will park, and how did they go to the station? What kind of, how will engineers?
It's in the design because the contract is access.
But this is fraud. Now you can see that this is fraud. Tell me how. Look at the road. Where does it link to the station? How can anybody even tell you that people walk from here to the gate?
Musa.
To where does it go to? Yes.
It goes like this to the airport.
Excuse me. Listen now. It's not very simple. It's not very simple. Come here. I have access for the train. Either going to this way or going to this way. So what is the sense of this going to the airport? Tell me. The whole thing is because, so if anybody stops here, it comes down here and enters the vehicle to the village, but there's no access to it.
It also envisages that people will come from the whole of Ukwa, the other side of the road.
Okay, even if you bring people from that side of the road, where would they park and where do they go to the station here? That is the point I'm making.
Yes, you are right. What I don't have the details of the design, but the contract included car park, so which they are doing. And I believe in the report for you, they said they are working on the car park. So they have not done much on the car park.
Come, are that the contractors? Call the contractors.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
We don't have the equipment. Come, this will start from where to where?
It starts from the junction there. It's close to the national park, and it ends here at the Kukwaba
That's where?
right there. There will be a car park right there. So it's,
Car park will be here.
yes, sir.
So how do they enter?
They are supposed to be like the stairs.
They are supposed to be. Come and show me.
Yes, sir.
That's what to do.
So the entrance is supposed to be relocated to this point.
To go to where?
How do we secure it?
How do you secure this? Because it's a train station.
This is for CC.
They are telling me that this is where this one you have to break here.
Yes, and create a path.
Where people can walk down.
Walk into the train station. And there's supposed to be a ramp. Where's the ramp?
This one.
Yes, sir.
You have a cover there. So all the sugars come into it, then it should and then the start point, the cover.
So this goes to the
Yes, sir. To the airport road, yes, sir.
It leads to airport road directly.
Yes, sir. Just right next to National Park.
All right. If we can hear it, start.
All right, Honorable Minister, you appear not to be so pleased with what you've seen today. Some of the places we visited, you've expressed several concerns. At the Abuja Metro line, you expressed the concerns of security. Here, you expressed the concern of the engineering design for this facility. So can you give us, tell us why you are so displeased?
Well, thank you very much. Just to make sure that things are in order and carried out to specification. This one project that's we're so compassionate about, and you know that Mr. President gave a directive which you must not take for granted. So we have to come to make sure that things are in good shape. Like you said, when we first visited the metro station, I discovered that there are issues of security lapses. And I remember when I came for the first time after our inauguration, I did say that they have to work on the issue of security by putting on the fence around the metro station in order to ward off criminals. Unfortunately, that has not been done. To my surprise, it was discovered that the contract was not even awarded to CCECC. It's a different contract awarded by the FCT. And this is my first time of hearing that. And we're going to take it up immediately to see that that is put in place. Because you can't talk about operation when you have not taken the issue of security. So security for us is key. And also talk about the kind of vandalization and stealing that's going on there. We have security companies that were awarded contracts to secure those areas, yet things are happening. Excuses are being given. How security agencies release those that are caught. But for me, that is not enough. And we're going to make sure that there's a different method to be adopted to see that we can't continue to give excuses every day. I cannot be happy if in May this year we are not able to operate this metro line. It will be very disastrous for me. And then, even all the stations, from what I've seen, designs are very poor. Who may have approved this design is not fair to Nigerians. I've told CCCC that this kind of design is not even acceptable in their own country. And if I had known before now, I would not have promised Mr. President that we'll be ready. But be it as it may, we still have to work around the clock to see that we achieve our results. And I also directed that every of the stations must be cleaned. All the things that are not there must be provided. There's no room for excuses at all. And the design of the access roads linking to the various stations, those who conceptualize it, I don't know whether it's because people always talk about money, and so they rush into things without properly evaluating and the benefits it will accrue to the residents or to the users. the conceptualization is not the best. But again, what do you do? This is what is on ground. You can't continue to come and stop them. We got not to see how we can finish it on time. But frankly speaking, I cannot tell you, knowing where I'm coming from, having presided over projects like this, that I'm in a happy mood. I'm not at all. And I've always said to people, we owe a lot to this country. If we have been given an opportunity to do so, well, it's not that you are the best, you are the most handsome or the most beautiful. It's just that God is infinite mercy have said that maybe this is your own turn. So try to make good use of it by satisfying members of the public. So I'm not too happy. So the company must speed up. Those who are doing the access road must also speed up. Here we are standing. We have been assured that this road will be completed before May. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. So that's the best I can tell you now.
With what you've seen, does that put the May 29 deadline in jeopardy?
I will not say I'm not a pessimist, but also I doubt. And I believe, putting all our energies, we may achieve it. Mr. Pedro had these funds for this project and access roads, so we have no excuse. Just that, if at the time I came, I'm taking time to go into all these projects, maybe would have been able to identify some of these lapses. And that's why it is not good for you to be in the office. Just go and see things for yourself and don't depend on reports coming from the field. Can I imagine if I've sat in the office and then depending on reports from those who sit in the field, by the time I will come here for me, I will be messed up. But I thank God I have to come to see things for myself. So that's my question. Thank you.
When the guy did formation.